Okay, mute the call, Lima. Mute the call. So, which question you have to solve? 22nd or 23rd? Take your notes one. 22nd. Okay, 22nd. What is the question given? X plus 1 by x equal to 6. What do we need to find? So which one you have to do? Okay, 23rd. X minus 1 by x is equals to 8 is given. What do we need to find here? And x square minus 1 by 8. First, the degree is 1 here, and even here the degree is 1. What do you do? What did I tell? From 1 to 1 degree, how do we solve? You square and add or subtract, right? Yeah, you subtract it. So don't take minus here. You don't take this first. It's wrong. Always go with plus. Okay, always go with plus. X plus 1 by is 8 or x? Sorry, x. So always go with x lemma. X plus 1 by x the whole square. I told you to use minus, right? Yes, mostly start with minus. Minus x minus 1 by x. So what's the answer? When you subtract, what do you get? A b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. What do you get? What's the right hand part? You subtract. So check your notes. Second answer. What's the formula for a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square? You subtract, what do you get? For ab, right? 4ab. Here, 4 into x into 1 by x, x and x gets cancelled. Only 4 is left. Which value is given here? Which value is given? What are you answering? X plus 1 by x value or x minus 1 by x value? X plus 1 by x. So what should I substitute? Is x plus 1 by x value given here? You're not thinking, Lima. You're just answering something. Do you think x plus 1 by x value? Okay, what's the value for x plus 1 by x? Then which one is given? So what happens to x plus 1 by x? It remains the same. What's the value for x minus 1 by x? And there's a square, right? Okay. X plus 1 by x the whole square remains as it is. What happens to minus 8 square if it goes to that? Plus 8 square. What's the answer? Do we need x plus 1 by x the whole square or just x plus 1 by x? Okay, what happens to square? Square becomes, yeah, Dia, if you have 10, you can leave Dia. Okay? Attend on Monday. And one more thing, banking, right? You have banking pending. Tomorrow, is it possible to attend? I'll just complete one class because weekdays usually I don't get time. Tomorrow, what time can you attend, Dia? 3:30 or 4? Okay. Tomorrow you attend. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll start tomorrow, and I'll tell you which recording to go through. Fine. Basics I'll teach you, and I'll tell you recording. By next week you have to complete banking. Okay. Delisha. Okay, fine. You even tell Delisha. Mostly tomorrow you just tell her. Okay. Today you inform her. Tell Delisha to attend. You both can attend tomorrow. I'll teach banking. I'll let you know the time. Yeah. Okay. You can leave. Yes. Tell me, Lima. What is the value 4 plus 4 plus 64? What is 4 plus 64? So let me write 68. I just need x plus 1 by x. The square goes to the other side become Root 68. This is the answer. Here, for the first one, you understood how to solve. Okay, what's the second one, Lima? Second one, what do we need to find? How does it look like? A square minus b square, right? It looks like a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? No, no, no. What is a square minus b square formula? A plus b into. You should memorize the formula, Lima. You're giving all wrong answers. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b to a minus b, right? Here a and b is not given. Instead of that, what is given? X plus 1 by x into x minus. What is x plus 1 by x? We found root multiplied by. What is x minus 1 by x? A. If you multiply, it is a to 1. Complete this. I'll tell you how to write the final answer. Complete. Don't just copy, Lima. Don't copy. You try to do it on your own. First, go through whatever. You take time and solve. At least for 1 hour, try to solve at least 4 sum, 3 to 4 sum. You do it on your own, so that you'll remember. You remember how to. Completed. Shall we do the next one? Tell me the 24th one. Okay, this is important, Lima. This is important. But what is given? Degree 1 is given or degree 2? 2 is given. And what they've asked us to find? X plus 1 by x? No, no, x minus 1 by x, then 2x square minus 2 by x square. These are the three questions they have given. So whatever value they have given, what's the degree for them? And whatever they've asked us to find, what's the degree for them? One, right? One and what did I tell you? From degree 1 to 2 or 2 to 1, what do we do? If you want to change the degree from 1 to 2, what you have to multiply. How do you change the degree, Lima? If x is equals to 2, I need x square. What did I tell you? I have to take this left hand side and square out both the sides. Only if you square, you'll get degree 2, right? If you don't square, will we get degree 2? Respond. Will you get degree 2? No, we won't get degree 2. So how will you solve this? See, in the question, yeah, square it. In the question, which one I have to square? If I square this, will I get degree 2 or this one? The first or second? Yes. Why second? Why not first? If I take this and square, what am I getting? Power 2 or power 4? Very good. Power 4. So this is wrong. So let them give degree 2 or degree 1, anything first. It doesn't matter. Whichever has degree 1, that you take. What's the first question given? Yes, take that question itself and square. Take the question. First question x plus 1 by x. Only square you get the degree. Now formula. How does it look like? A plus b the whole square. First you have to memorize the formulas, Lima. Today you memorize. You are giving all wrong formulas. Memorize the formula. What is A plus b the whole square? You have the formula with you. The page which I yes, just get that an answer. What is A plus b the whole square? Why? Where is it? Where are the formulas? You didn't write notes. You didn't make notes. You don't know what is A plus b the whole square. Didn't I teach you all this? You don't know these formulas. Then how are you solving all these days, Lima, without these formulas? What is A plus b the whole square? Hmm? Tell me completely. A square plus 2 into AB. Without this, how are you solving in the beginning? Have you written notes? Are you maintaining notes? Without this formula, how were you able to solve? See, in the beginning, I told you all these questions I made you solve, right? How did you solve without the formulas? And this is what I'm asking. Okay. In place of A and B, what is given? X plus 1 by X is given. Take this as A and take this as B. There's no separate formula. We use the same formula. What is A plus B the whole square? AB. Instead of A square plus B square. See, look here. A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B, right? It is A and B here. X 1 by X next into what do you get when you expand? Square plus hmm, 4. Explain how did you get 4? Which one is like 2? Now, uh, what is the answer? See, this is re-exam paper. You have to concentrate. If you're still not solving, just copying from the screen, you won't be able to score good marks. What happens to X and X? So what is left? How do you solve this question? Think and answer. What should I do? What will be the next step? Yes. Respond. Think and answer. First, what do we need to find? If aliens like this won't get the answer. What do we need to find? He's solving for. Express 1 by x. Where is it? Left hand side or right hand side? Hmm? Plus 1 by x is on left hand side. If it is left hand side, if you want to find this one, other things would be given, right? Apart from this, only this should be alphabet or variable. This should be in alphabet. Apart from this, other things should be in numbers, right? That is known as value. Now, if you want to find x plus 1 by x, what about this value? Which one is variable here? Apart from x plus 1 by x. Variable 2 is a constant. This 2 is a constant. It is variable. Huh? X square. Okay. What should I replace this? You should get a number here. 7. That is how you have to answer. If you just sit and copy, what is the use of attention? You have to answer, Lima. If you want notes, I'll give you notes. Will you be asked with notes? No, right? You should know how to solve. Think. You need x plus 1 by x. That is not given. Keep it as it is. Other values will be given, right? What is it given? 7 plus 2. Now what will be the next step? That one I know. After that, what happens to the square? Shall I just erase it? Hmm? So what should I write? X plus 1 by x is equal to, what's the answer? X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. This is the answer. We got the answer now. Solve it. You try it. If you're just copying, you won't learn. Solve me the question. You start solving, Lima. Take the first one and square it. If you're not able to solve, they'll give you one more retest. Want to do one more retest? They'll keep on giving you every month. They'll give you retest, and you'll get fed up. Only ninth one is lengthy like this game, but tenth is easy. Tenth has simple constant. Okay, don't worry about tenth. You complete ninth, tenth is easy. Tenth has good constant. It's clear. What's the answer you got? Okay, then first one. Now you tell me how will you find second one? What should we do? To find second? What minus? What's the degree given? The main question is degree 1. Degree 2, right? What is this degree given? What did I tell you? Degree 1 and degree 2 is. Which one I have to do? How does it look? Look at the formulas again. Okay. How does it look like? A square? Does it look like a square plus b square? How does it look like a square? Is there square here? Then how does it look like a square plus b square? Simple, Lima. You're not understanding the logic. Just replace this with a and replace this with b. Line in between. And what is the degree out? We are not able to understand this logic. What's the formula we got now? A minus b the whole square. That's it. For this, you're answering a square, b square. You can't study maths like other subjects, Lima. You can't memorize it. Okay. Yeah, it's not a theory subject. You can't memorize it. You have to understand the logic. How does this look? Just replace A here, B here. Of A minus B the whole square. Is it plus into AB or minus? What is the sign given? Minus? A simple. That's it. We got the instead of what is given. What you have to instead of B, so that's x 1 by x, x into 1 by x. Is it that tough? Complete it. Open the bracket. Tell me the next step you try. Complete it fully. I need the value. That's it. I need the answer. Right. You try. You try. I'll give you 2 minutes. Tell me final answer. Okay, tell me what did you why x square? Again you're telling me x square plus 1 by x. Left hand side what is left? X minus 1 by x the whole square as it is, right? Okay, you told me the right hand one? Sorry, I thought left. Okay, what is there on left right hand x square? Okay, next. Where should I put 7? Where should I put 7? Give me the reason. Give me reason. Left hand side, here 7. Why 7? Why 7? Can you tell me? Okay, why 7? Why 7? What is given? That is what you have to explain. Now you understood? That is how you have to explain. X square 1 by x square is 7. So 7 minus 2, right? X minus 1 by x the whole square remains as it is. 5. Root 5 is the answer. This is how you have to here. Ignore this one. Mostly they won't give this part. Ignore this. Which one? No, 2x square. Okay, I'll just quickly teach that. 2x square minus 2 by x square. 2x square minus 2 by x square. So I'll tell you how to solve such question. You have to take out 2 common. Take numerator 2 is common. You have x square minus 1 by x. Just replace this Lima. Instead of x, just think there is a here. This one you write a. What's the degree given? square, right? Minus instead of this, what should we write? Square. What did we get here? What is a square minus b square formula? A plus b into no a square. A plus b into a minus b. First, make a note of formula. You're giving wrong formulas. Tell me what is a plus b the whole square? Right? Write it. And whenever you have a square minus b square, what's the answer? A plus b into a minus b. Or if they give you a minus b into a plus b, both are same. What's the answer you should get? A square minus. First, write this, memorize this. The base. Completed. How does this look like? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Understood? But we don't have a and b here. Instead of a and b, what is given? So what should I write here? A plus b into a minus b or x square x plus. What should I write here? 2 into x plus 1 by x into. That's it. X plus 1 by x. Because we don't have a and b, we need to replace the value. Okay. This is how you have to practice. We have done questions. So today you practice all this, write and practice. It's not reading. Okay, this is not it's not theory subject. You have to write and practice. Just copy the question, start solving. If you get it wrong, go back to the answer and check what mistake you have. Now tell me what is and why x plus 1 by x value. Could you solve? And if you cancel all this, you'll get only 2. If you write it like this, you'll get 0 again. Okay, they'll give you 0. When 2 plus 1 by 2 is given, is it possible to cancel it out? Then only for multiplication you can cancel, right? Then what do you do with x plus 1 by? Just to check the question, just check the question, what answer you have done. You get an idea. You immediately are telling you get cancelled and all those things. No, why squaring? What is required? Huh? No, question is not given x square, so we split that, right? This is what we split, and we got how many parts? 2 parts. What is x plus 1 by x? Why can't you check the answer, whatever we solve? You'll get the answer. What did we get for x plus 1 by x? Is that x plus 1 by x value? Then for x plus 1 by x, what did we do? I erased it before this we did. We got 3, right? That is what you have to substitute here. If you substitute, we are done. Minus of that, yes, why do we need to square? You have to just substitute here. Okay? 2 3s are 6, 6 to 5 is the answer. This is the answer for this question. 2x squared minus 2 by x squared. This is the answer. Fine. Monday we'll start next exercise. Clear? Complete this. We'll revise few questions. Okay, look here. There was another formula. We know, you know what is a plus b whole square, right? And a plus b whole square. If I take both, if I take and if I add it, I should get what answer we get 2a square plus. Yes. Memorize. If I add both together, here, if I add. In the same, wait. I'll explain. You can copy it. In place of x lemma, if x plus 1 by x the whole square plus x minus 1 x the whole square is given, what will you get? 2 into in place of x square plus 1 by x. Next, a plus b the whole square minus that should be get 4 into ab. Same way, if instead of a and b, if I take x square minus x minus 1 by x the whole square, 4 into ab, what is 4? 4 into, not x plus. What is that here? And what do you call that? No, you call it multiplication or is it addition? Or multiplication. So you write 4 plus 1 by x or 4 into x plus 1. You have to put multiplication sign. Yes, 4 into x into 1 by x and x gets cancelled. What is left? Only 4 is left. Make a note of this formula. So you don't have to write 4 into x plus 1 by x. Just write. When do we use this formula? Whenever the degree is 1 and 1, right? Whenever it is 1 and 1, we use this formula. Completed? So based on this lemma, see, if you observe the formula, if you just look at the formula, if you try to understand the concept, it is very easy to solve. If there are two values, degree 1 is given, we use left hand side formula. Okay? But whenever you have degree 1, for example, they'll give you a question, degree 1 to degree 2, you have to convert, or from degree 2 to degree 1. Then what do? We square them. Fine, we square and use it. Now look here. Once again, we'll revise. From 15th main only these kind of questions are. Look at the 15th main first one. What is given? A plus b is 7. And a minus a into b, they've asked given 10. They've asked us what? A minus, what's the degree and what you're supposed to 1. Given here, degree is 1 for both. And whatever they ask for the degrees, so what you have to do when the degree is 1 and 1? Which formula I told you? Formula. Okay, tell me how you solve. What a plus b? If I take a minus b the whole square, what's the formula we get? Okay, tell me what are the values given? What will be the next? How do you solve lemma? Tell me the next. What are the unknown variables here? What are the variables you have here? You told me the formula. What are the variables? This is variable a minus b and a square plus b square. What are the values given in the question? What values given? 7 is for which one? For this value is given. A minus b value is given, or we need to find? We need to find. A b is given here. Is it a b here or a square plus b square? Is this formula correct? Then which formula we need to use? What other formula we have? Correct. Now you understood, right? When to use which formula? A plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Now tell me what are the values given? What class? Okay, what should I write? Tell me the next step. What should I write? 7 square. Shall I write and 10 square? Or then what should I do? So what should I do? Shall I write here find AB? Then if this value is not given, simply by not given, what will you do with this? Will you just keep looking at the exam? Just keep it as it is. Just keep it as it is. After that, is it 10? What about this 4? You just erased it? Tell me properly. 4 into, in place of AB, what should I write? What is given? AB is 10. Next, yes, all this was done Monday. Monday, 2, 3 days back, we completed. 47 square is 49. Do we have this value? No, right? Keep it as it is. 4 into 10 is 40. Next, to the left hand side, because a minus b is minus, right? 49 minus 40, if a minus b equals, it becomes a minus b the whole square. What do we need? A minus b the whole square or just a minus b? Hmm. How do you solve this? Root 9 is equals to a minus b. Then what is a minus b? Answer is here. Try it, copy this question, try doing it. Okay, tell me, Lim, how do you solve once again? How do you solve a plus b square minus a minus b square equal to? If I did use this formula, that's very good. There is ab given here. Ab a minus b also we have. A plus b also we have, right? And next 49. Okay, other things you know, right? Like this 49. Substitute all this. Okay, tell me the next one. Next question. 16th one. What is 16th one? What is given? Okay. 9a square plus. Fine. What's the first rule I told you? What you have to check? Degree. Very good. Exactly. First thing you have to check. Always start with degree. Whatever value they've given, check the degrees. Degree is 1 for this, right? And whatever they've asked us to find, what's the degree? So what you have to do when degree 1 to 2 is given? See, from 1 to 1, we solve a question, right? Whenever from 1 to 2, if you want to convert from 1 to 2, what's the concept? How will you convert it to 2? Square with this one. Very good. I have to take this 3a plus and I have to square it. What is 3a plus 4b? How does it look like? As soon as you write this, consider this as what? A plus this one as b. Other things are the same, right? So this looks like what? No, no, no. Again, you're giving wrong formula. How does this look like? Simple. Whatever you see here, why can't you answer this? How does it look like? A plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? Write the formula. What is a plus b the whole square? Check the notes. Is it only a square plus b square? Tell me properly. A square plus. You tell me how will you solve this? 2 into a into b. Tell me the next. First thing, from degree 1 to 2, what you told me, up to first you told me up to degree, right? Okay, that is correct. After that, 1 to 2, you have to square which one you have to degree 1. Okay, you squared it. Once you square, you have to check how does what formula can be applied. It looks like b the whole square. If it was 3a minus 4, then what will you replace this one? Just check. A minus. How does this look like? Which formula? A minus whole square. So tell me a plus b the whole square. If it is a plus b the whole square, what's the formula? A square plus b square plus what is minus b the whole square? Minus 2ab. Which formula do I need to use here? A plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square? I have written the formula top. I have written the brackets, right? Now what should I substitute? Next, tell me the next step. Hmm. So these are 6, 24. What should I do? Till here everything is correct. If we want to have square, we use this formula, everything is correct. What do we need to find here? This 9a square plus 16a square in the value which you have written. Is this left hand side? Is equal to sign, is this left hand side? Lima, if you're standing like this, which is your left hand side and which is right hand side? This is right hand side and this one is left hand side, right? So what did I ask you? Where is 9a square plus 16b square? Left hand side or right hand side? Yes. Is equal to up is equal to it's on the right hand side. If you want to find this, other thing should be what? Constant or variable? This variable Lima. Alphabets are variable. Other things should be constant, right? Number. What are the other things? Why you given? How do you solve the next step? How do you solve? Is this the final answer? You just put this. Then okay, this is 24 into what is the value given? Okay, next. Yes. Look, 24ab was a variable. Did we convert it to constant? It became a number. Then apart from that, what else you have to convert? How can you convert it? Is there any value given for this? And then you have to find. How do you find it? It's on the right hand side. So which one you have to shift to the other side? Okay. Check you have to shift left hand. In left hand side, what are the other values there? Left hand side, what are the other values? 3a plus 4b. What you have to 16 or 16 square? What is it? This 16 or 16 square? 16 square, right? Apart from this, all the other values will be given. It is 16 square, right? Square here minus which one will go to the other side? So what you get? 16 square minus 24 into 4 is equal to 9a square plus 16b square. Now we got the answer, right? Uh, so all these days, what we're doing, Lima, once we call, you're not practicing, not writing and practicing, you should be able to answer all these questions. You already did it, right? You have to be serious, Lima. This is retest, not for a normal exam. Then later they won't promote. They won't promote. They'll send you to ninth, but they'll give you economic. Some other stuff. The entire year you have studied maths, everything will get waste. Ruined. So concentrate. If you have anything, if you don't know how to solve, you have to ask me. That's why you have joined, right? You have joined classes. And they tell you if you don't have anything, you should ask. Ask why left hand side, why not right hand side. Get it clarified. You're just attending, just copying and leaving. Try this, I'll erase it, try it, tell whatever logic you told, try it again. Copy the question. Okay, explain again. Yes, everything from the beginning. Okay. First, you have to check the degree 1 to 2, right? Then what do? You have to square. Whichever has degree 1, you have to take only the left hand side part and you have to square. Then check what kind of formula it looks like. Just expand it. A square plus B square plus 2 into. Okay, second type is done. Now substitute the value. It says, right? Next, expand it. Hmm. Just 24, 24 AB. Is it given 24 into 4 here? 24 into AB, right? Okay, next, check whatever we need to find. Whatever we need to find, you have to check which side it is, right? Left hand side or right hand side. Left hand side, there is a value given. I mean, right hand side, it's there on the right hand side, right? Right hand side. So just keep that on the right hand side as left hand side. What, that is 16. So keep this on look, keep this on the right hand side. Other things you should put on left hand side. This one goes to the minus. It becomes minus 24 A. No. It becomes definitely. It goes to the other side and becomes what? Minus 24 what? AB, right? And already left hand side, what do we have? PA plus whole square. Till here is it clear? Now substitute the value. Check what value. This value should be numbers here. You get a number. So definitely value will be given. Tell me what the value is given. Hmm. And 4 into 24 into 4, not 4 into 20. Okay. 24 into 4. What's the answer? 16, 256 minus 96 is equals to 9A square. Is there any whole square here to the power of whole? No. Pure nothing like that, right? We don't have to do anything like that because there's no whole power. This is the final answer. What's the final answer? 160. And you can rewrite like this: 9A square plus 15B square is equals to 160. So practice it, Seema. I think definitely not. It would be tough. Okay. Once I get retest, then I won't have time to teach all this. To complete this, you got to 10 steps preparing for 10. Okay, right? Practice, don't be lazy. No class tomorrow. You have holiday. Practice all this. Attend on Monday. Next class will be on Monday. Timing same time. 5 to 6. Evening 5 to 6. Yes, you can leave. That's it for today. You can.